Do you want to boost your vocabulary fast? Do you wish to speak English with confidence in real-life conversations? Are you dreaming of achieving fluency and sounding more natural when you talk? Then this video is just for you. Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to practice with a real-life conversation that helps you make plans with a friend. Using natural expressions, real pronunciation, and daily vocabulary you can actually use. But that's not all. This video is divided into 4 powerful parts to help you train your brain and your mouth to speak better English. Part 1, listening practice. Part 2, vocabulary practice. Part 3, listen and answer practice. And Part 4, shadowing practice. So, are you ready to train your English muscles? Let's get started then. Part 1, English listening practice. Now let's begin with Part 1, listening practice. In this section, you will hear a friendly and natural conversation between two people making plans for the weekend. Your goal is simple here. Just listen carefully and try to understand the main idea of what they are talking about. Don't worry if you miss a few words. This helps your brain get used to real English the way native speakers use it, with emotion, tone, and natural rhythm. So sit back and get ready to listen. Hey Jason, are you free this weekend? I think so. What do you have in mind? How about going to the new amusement park on Saturday? That sounds fun. What time should we go? Let's meet at 10 a.m. at the train station. Perfect. Should we invite Sarah too? Sure, the more the merrier. Great, I will call her and let you know. Awesome, I'm really looking forward to it. Me too. It's been a while since we all hung out. Well done, you have just completed the first step by listening to a real English conversation. Did you understand the main idea? Don't worry if you didn't catch every single word. We are going to go over key vocabulary next to help you speak naturally and confidently. Now let's move on to Part 2, vocabulary practice. Now it's time to learn some useful vocabulary and expression from the conversation. We'll break down the most important phrases, explain their meanings in simple English, and use them in easy example sentences you can repeat out loud. Remember, repeating words out loud helps your brain remember them faster and improves your pronunciation. So let's learn and repeat together. Are you free? This means, are you available at a certain time? Example, are you free this Saturday? I wanted to call you. Are you free now? Hey Jason, are you free this weekend? What do you have in mind? This is a polite way to ask someone what they are thinking or planning. Example, I feel like doing something fun. What do you have in mind? We should go somewhere. What do you have in mind? I think so. What do you have in mind? Next, how about? A casual way to suggest something. Example, how about watching a movie tonight? How about going for a walk? How about going to the new amusement park on Saturday? Next one, sounds fun. You say this when something seems enjoyable or exciting. Example, a weekend trip. That sounds fun. Let's play a new game. Sure, sounds fun. That sounds fun. What time should we go? Next one, let's meet at. A common way to suggest a meeting time and place. Example, let's meet at 6 p.m. near the mall. Let's meet at the cafe after work. Let's meet at 10 a.m. at the train station. Next one is, the more the merrier. This phrase means it's more fun when more people join. Example, can I invite my cousin? Sure, the more the merrier. Let's invite our friends too. The more the merrier. Perfect. Should we invite Sarah too? Sure, the more the merrier. Next one is looking forward to it. You're excited about something that will happen. Example, I'm looking forward to the weekend. We are going to the concert tomorrow. I'm really looking forward to it. Great, I will call her and let you know. Awesome, I'm really looking forward to it. It's been a while. You say this when something hasn't happened for a long time. Let's hang out. It's been a while. It's been a while since we saw each other. Me too. It's been a while since we all hung out. Great job. You have just learned and practiced 8 powerful phrases. Remember, repeat this section every day to make these expressions part of your natural speaking habit. Now let's move on to part 3, listen and answer practice. Get ready to train your brain and your voice. Now it's time to practice thinking and responding in English. In this section, I'll ask you simple questions about the conversation you heard earlier. Your job is to answer out loud before I reveal the correct answer. Don't worry if you don't get every answer right. Just focus on speaking clearly and trying your best. Let's begin. Who is Emma talking to? She is talking to Jason. What are Emma and Jason planning to do? They are planning to go to the new amusement park. When are they going? They are going on Saturday. What time will they meet? At 10 a.m. They will meet at 10 a.m. Where will they meet? They will meet at the train station. Who suggested going to the amusement park? Emma did. She suggested going to the amusement park. What was Jason's response to the idea? He said, that sounds fun. Did they decide to invite someone else? Yes, they decided to invite Sarah. What did Emma say about inviting Sarah? She said, the more the merrier. Who is going to call Sarah? Jason will call Sarah. How did Emma feel about the plan? She said she was really looking forward to it. What did Jason say at the end? He said, me too. It's been a while since we all hung out. Fantastic job. Every time you practice like this, you're building real English fluency. Now it's time for the final section, where you'll speak along with the characters. Let's move on to part 4, shadowing practice. Now let's move into the final part of your English training. In this section, you will listen and repeat each line from the conversation just like an actor practicing their script. So, are you ready? Let's speak English together. Hey Jason, are you free this weekend? How about going to the new amusement park on Saturday? Let's meet at 10 a.m. at the train station. Sure, the more the merrier. Awesome, I'm really looking forward to it. I think so. What do you have in mind? That sounds fun. What time should we go? Perfect. Should we invite Sarah too? Great, I will call her and let you know. Me too. It's been a while since we all hung out. Well done, you did it. Congratulations on completing all 4 parts of this English speaking practice. By listening, learning new vocabulary, answering out loud, and shadowing with real conversation, you have trained your ears, brain, and voice to speak better English today. But remember, repetition is the secret to fluency. So watch this video again tomorrow and the day after that until these phrases become natural to you. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more powerful English training videos like this one. Keep practicing and I will see you in the next video. Happy learning!